What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a professional crystal clear audio using Audacity. You know, audio is most important part for a video, so it's very important to make your audio very professional and crystal clear. So I will show you the full process about how to make your audio more professional and more crystal clear. So first of all, open your Audacity. Here you can see it's our Audacity. Now I want to record something. First of all, click to red icon to record something. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your audio more professional, because audio is a very important part for content like YouTube content or other. So let's get started. After completing your record, just click to stop icon. Now it's time to reduce noise from this audio. First of all, select a part where you want to reduce your noise. I want to select this part because it's a blank part and there is no audio, just noise is capturing. Select this part and play to watch the noise. Here you can see the noise is available. Now I want to reduce the noise. First of all, click to effect and go to noise removal and repair. After that, click to noise reduction and get noise profile. Now select all, hold the audio part. Using your keyboard, press Ctrl A and then again go to effect, click to noise removal and repair, and again noise reduction. You can reduce your noise from here. If you have a huge noise, heavy noise, then you can select for type for 20 or 15 or 25. And if you want to reduce a little bit of noise, then you can select type for 5. I want to select or type for 20. After that, click to OK. Now it's time to set preset to make your audio more professional, more crystal and clear. I want to delete this part and want to play. Hi guys, welcome back. Again click Ctrl A from your keyboard. Now go to effect, equalizer and filter. From here, graphic equalizer, preset and setting, factory preset, bass boost, and then apply. Again go to effect, equalizer and filter, graphic equalizer, and then again factory reset, preset, and then click to treble boost, and then again apply. Now I want to play this audio again. Hi guys, welcome back. Into it's more professional. Again click to effect and legacy limiter. You can select soft limiter or hard limiter. I used to soft limit and then click to apply. Again play to. Hi guys, welcome back. Now it's time to normalize your audio. Click to effect and go to volume and compression and then click to normalize. Again click to apply. You can increase or decrease your normalize. I want to select this part, automatic generated part, and then again click to apply. Now it's more professional. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your audio more professional, because it's done. Now it's time to export your audio. Click to file and then again click to export audio and type a name of your file, like I want to type for test file, and select a position or select a device and then click to save and click to export. And that's it. It's the whole tutorial about how to make your audio more crystal and clear using Audacity. I hope you should like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.